What if I told you that this single carry-on got me through a week-long Disney World vacation trip? There were no checked bag fees, no overstuffed suitcases, and I came home with plenty of room for souvenirs. Hello everyone, I'm going to show you exactly how to avoid hundreds of dollars in baggage fees using a Disney Resort feature that most guests never even notice. I'm going to walk you through the entire process that I used on my last trip. Packing for a Disney World trip is stressful. Multiple days, different weather conditions, pool time, park time, and before you know it, you are paying $50 to $100 for those checked bags. Here's the hack. Disney World Resort hotels have guest laundry facilities. Look right here, guest laundry. It's right on the resort signs, but most people just walk right past it. So let me show you what one looks like. This is the laundry room at All-Star Movies. Clean, well lit, and in my opinion, seems to be pretty nice. And it's right outside of their food court. So great place for you to go sit and wait while your clothes are washing. Now first you're going to need detergent. There are vending machines that are next to the washer and dryers, and they take credit cards. So you don't have to have cash or any quarters at all. Then you find your washing machine. The cost is only $3.25 a load. I'm just going to do one load. Here's the cool part. Scan this QR code to download the CSC Go app. This lets you monitor your laundry from anywhere in the resort. Now I'm going to start the wash cycle. This app shows me exactly how much time I have left. Or I should say, the clothes have left. While my clothes are washing, I'm going to grab some dinner in the food court. This is the beauty of it. The laundry does itself while you're doing other resort activities. The app is going to send you a notification. As it progresses, 23 minutes, 9 minutes, done. No guessing, no wasted trips. All right, the washer's done. So let's go back to transfer to the dryer. This cost me $3.25 a load. So now I'm starting the dryer and I'm going to go off to watch the Aristocats in the resort's movie area. So what was the total cost? Detergent $1, wash cycle $3.25, dry cycle $3.25. So $7.50 versus $50 to $100 for baggage fees. This approach has completely changed how I travel to Disney. Have you ever done laundry at Disney World? Let me know if this helps you plan your next vacation. And remember, I can book your next getaway. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more practical packing tips and vacation trips. Safe travels!